Welcome back to the channel, guys. Joe here again, and got another little Kubota video, my new favorite toy. So got a few of those coming up. Last video we threw that piranha tooth bar on and the mechanical thumb. Today we're gonna play with the thumb. Never used one before, so we'll see how it goes. I got a couple stumps to tear out, and I want to move some of the trees that were cut. Nothing big to do at first. We're just going to try it on something small, see if I can figure out what I'm doing here. But here we go. Alright, for those of you that didn't catch the install video, there is the BXpanded Barracuda thumb. This guy's made to mount in the factory spot there. Got a little adjustability, and that's what we're going to do first here. I'm going to throw that guy down so we don't have to roll the bucket as far in to pinch those stumps there. So all we gotta do, pop that pin and slide her up and down. All right, so there is a quick little video on the BXpanded mechanical thumb. Used it to pull a couple stumps. Obviously, I'm a new tractor guy, so it wasn't the ideal method to do it, but that's showing you that even with your first little backhoe, couple little relatively inexpensive add-ons, make some chores around the house. It's pretty easy. So yeah, if I can mess around with it, chances are you probably can get some benefit out of this little thumb too. Pretty easy to use. Pull a pin, adjust it to where you need it. Not using it, you can roll it all the way up. Out of the way. Like so. So yeah, I think for the 300 and some odd dollars, that one's gonna come in handy. And as you saw at the end there, I even used it like a little grapple. Had one of the trees that was cut down, wanted to go throw it to the chipper pile. And instead of cutting it down into smaller sections or trying to balance it on the loader bucket, we just pinched her with the thumb, drug her over, threw her on the pile. So yeah, next Kubota video we'll be playing with the Piranha tooth bar and seeing how that does. And I think that's going to be a nice addition to some dirt work abilities. And kind of hoping it'll rip this type of little shrub trees. I guess that was a branch, but whatever. I got a bunch of little shrubs popping up everywhere over here. Hoping that'll help rip those out. So yeah, as always guys, thanks for killing a little time with me tonight, and we'll catch you next time. Welcome back to the channel guys. Joe here again. Hey.